My name is Vanessa Roman, and I have a daughter who's 3 months old, and her name's Charlie. It is truly amazing. Honestly, I am the type of person to read all about what I'm about to do. So in this particular case, I read all about the babies, all about the breastfeeding, and you hear a lot of horror stories. You know, you hear people saying how it's difficult to get a good latch, and then when I was in the hospital and starting this process, she took to it quite well. So in my experience, I can't think of doing anything but breastfeeding her. She had a really good latch. I did get a little bit of soreness, I have to admit. It's something that they don't really talk too much about, but the first 10 days were a little difficult. My toes were curling a couple times, but I used this product called Lanolin, and that got me over the hump, and now I think I'm gonna do it as long as she wants. I'm watching her grow. She started at 7 pounds, now she's 14 in 3 months. Doubled her birth weight, all because of what I can do for her. And it kind of blows me away. I've heard, and through my own experience, I had a prenatal group and I've kept in touch with a lot of the moms. Sometimes it takes a bit to get it started, to get your milk flowing, to get your baby latching. I think the long-term benefits far outweigh the inconvenience initially. So I would say persevere, do it. Definitely do it. You can't give your baby anything better than breast milk.